This 2022 American Coach American Dream 39RK is a Class A RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features kitchen island, rear bedroom. This 2022 American Coach American Dream 39RK is built on a Freightliner ISL chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.